This lesson is all about nouns. So nouns are sometimes called naming words because they name people, places, things and ideas. There are different types of nouns. Proper nouns are the names of specific people, places or things and have a capital letter. For example, England or Jayden or the World Health Organization. Common nouns are the names of types of people, places, things or ideas. So a man, a frog or a banana. Abstract nouns are the names of things or ideas that we can't touch, such as love or dream. You can tell if a word is a noun if it can be used after a determiner such as a or the or that. For example, that frog, a banana, a dream, that Jayden. Nouns can be countable, such as ants, or non-countable, such as snow.